soak your chickpeas and then mash them. So you can use a potato masher or a food processor, whichever one you like. I use a potato masher, it's really quick. So I added a half an onion, and I didn't have any relish, so what I did was I took about 2 pickles, I chopped it up, and I put a little agave on it, and that's my sweet relish. Gonna add some garlic powder, pepper, and go ahead and add your choice of vegan mayo. I use this one, Hellmann's, and a little bit of mustard. Some white mushrooms that I rinsed off, or you can wipe it off with a wet paper towel. Here's a quick tip. I put a wet paper towel over my mushrooms because I'm not making a wet batter, so this will help keep them moist for when you dip them in the flour. Okay, so this is the flour that I use. It's chickpea flour, which happens to be gluten-free. And I just went ahead and seasoned my flour with pink Himalayan sea salt, some garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. Fry them up in whichever type of oil you like. I just went ahead and used some vegetable oil. I cannot wait to taste this. And here we go. Vegan double eggs using fried white mushrooms. Whew. If my hair was done, I would eat it for y'all and on camera, but my hair's a mess right now. But I know it's gonna be good. Ooh, baby.